Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create a swirl French tip using Nightfall and Silver Leaf. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, base coat and builder application, apply a thin coat of French Kiss and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using your thin nail art brush and Nightfall, paint a swirl tip. Using the Nightfall polish brush, fill in the tip of your nail. Cure for 30 seconds. Using Silver Leaf and your silicone tool, pick up small pieces and place it along the edge of your swirl. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. I think this design would also look great with classic French tips. Thanks for watching!